बाजीराव ने मस्तानी से मोहब्बत की है।
एंड उनको इनवाइट करने से पहले रणवीर एक शब्द में अपने डायरेक्टर साहब को डिस्क्राइब करना रहेगा तो क्या होगा?
अगर आप वो मेरे साथ वर्ड प्ले वाला गेम खेलें,
हाँ।
आप बोलो, उनका नाम बोलो।
संजय लीला भंसाली।
जीनियस।
एक बार और होता है, संजय लीला भंसाली।
मास्टर।
एक शब्द बोला था, संजय लीला भंसाली।
रॉकस्टार।
बस। दीपिका, संजय लीला भंसाली।
सेक्सी।
प्रियंका, संजय लीला भंसाली।
मैग्नेटिक।
नशा चढ़ गया मुझे तो।
तो जिनका नशा चढ़ा है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, the person who's given पता नहीं क्या क्या यार, he's done everything। पिछले 12 सालों से सपने को हकीकत बनाने के लिए जोरदार तालियां संजय लीला भंसाली के लिए। Whoa! Come on, make some noise! संजय सर, स्वागत है। कहीं पढ़ा था मैंने और सुना भी था कि इकोनॉमिक्स आपके लिए सेकेंडरी है, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट योर वर्क, योर क्रिएटिविटी। आज इतने सालों की मेहनत जब हमने पर्दे पे देखी, रिस्पॉन्स आपके सामने है, आर यू रिलीव्ड?
फिल्म पैसों से तो बनती है, लेकिन पैसों से ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है पैशन से बनती है, लोगों से बनती है। बहुत से टैलेंटेड लोगों ने इस फिल्म पे काम किया, उनसे बनती है। सो मुझे लगता है कि वो रिलीव्ड है, सैडनेस है, एम्प्टीनेस है कि अभी हो गया काम, अभी जॉबलेस हूँ। तो ये 12 साल जो पकड़ के रखा, 12 साल सोचते रहा, लोगों ने कहा होगा ही नहीं, इम्पॉसिबल है, ये बनेगी नहीं, ये हर साल ये शुरू करता है, हर साल ये बंद कर देता है। कई लोग आए, कई लोग गए, पर तकदीर में लिखा होता है जिसके, तो ये हमारे बाजीराव की तकदीर में लिखा था, ये हमारे मस्तानी की तकदीर में लिखा था, ये हमारे काशी की तकदीर में लिखा था। ये जो हमारे बाजीराव मस्तानी और जो उनके सोल थे और काशी भाई के, वो उनकी मर्जी थी कि ये लोग ही काम करें। तो
सवाल आप तीनों से मेरा एक ही है कि जो लहजा आपने यूज़ किया है, चाहे वो मस्तानी का हो या बाजीराव का हो या काशी भाई को हो, तीनों का अलग अलग फ्लेवर मिला है। तो राइटर को पहले तो थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा, इस तरीके से लिखा। आप लोगों ने क्या प्रिपेयर किया था अगर बाजीराव, मस्तानी और काशी भाई तीनों लोगों को?
Each one of us had a diction coach separately. Ranveer was working on his, Priyanka was working on hers, and I think for them it was the most difficult because to get that pronunciation correct, to speak with that accent, though she's done a Maharashtrian role before, right? So,
Yeah.
but Ranveer, I know.
300-year-old dialect, so I think for Ranveer and me both it was a little overwhelming. Yeah. We went from sounding South Indian to North Indian to then finally landing on Maharashtra.
So each one of us had a dedicated diction coach who would be with us on set all the time. Of course, Prakash ji was also available to us at any given point. Anything that we wanted to improvise as far as dialogues were concerned, language that we didn't understand, if we wanted to simplify something or make it more the character, because sometimes after a point you become so much a part of the character in the film that you can start building your own, developing your own dialogues or making it your own, so he was always there around to help us with that.
प्रियंका, लोकल एसटीडी तो समझ में आ जाता है, आईएसडी में क्या माहौल है बाजीराव मस्तानी का?
Welcome to the 21st century, आलोक। क्या कहूँ मैं आपसे कि इंटरनेट काफी चीजों को I think आसान कर देता है। I'm happy to be here. यहाँ पे भी बहुत excitement है बाजीराव के लिए। my entire cast and crew is going to have a special screening. I think उनको तो कपड़े वपड़े चाहिए, नथनी पहन के घूमना है। They're very excited, the Quantico team. And even the response that I'm getting in America for Bajirao Mastani is very, very. People are very excited. We were trending in the US all day right now before the trailer even came out. So I'm just. This is a part of history, but it is Sanjay sir's fictional version of the story of Bajirao Mastani. So I think it'll be really wonderful to see how people respond to it internationally.
What was that scene shot where you catch hold of that arrow right in front of your eyes? वो हमारे प्रसाद साहब है ना जादूगर ये सवाल आप उनको कीजिएगा मैंने वाकई में पकड़ा है आप ऐसी बात है मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की 100 दिनों के लिए मैंने प्रैक्टिस की एक आदमी खड़े रहता था तीर मारता था और मैं यूं पकड़ता था यूं पकड़ के फेंकता था सो मैंने एक्चुअली किया है सर क्वेश्चन फॉर है ना श्याम जी बताओ यार मान रहे नहीं मेरी बात Deepika and Priyanka, I have a question for you. You know, your Pinga song has run into some kind of a rough weather with the Peshwa descendants, writing a letter saying that that has not been portrayed very well. So, what is your official take on the same?
This film is definitely a part of history, and as you would see, Sanjay Sirs and the production houses, like Nitin said, their clarification. This film is based on a book called Rao, and that is the author's version of what happened in Bajirao and Mastani's love story. So please look at it as a beautiful rendition of an epic saga told from the vision of Sanjay Leela Bhansali and nothing more.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Team Bajirao Mastani ko बहुत congratulations on your right towards your right here. This is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. Congratulations to the team. जो ये trailer हमने देखा, it's an epic. मतलब each and every frame is epic. दिख रहा है वो, मेहनत वो दिख रही है. But what is the reason कि 28 days just before the release, 28 days before the release हम trailer देख रहे हैं. इसीलिए कि शायद trailer पे और मेहनत की गई, trailer इतना जबरदस्त बने, इतना epic बने, इतना grand बने. Please.
I think they had a different plan. In fact, you usually see a trailer first and then songs. We're probably one of the first films that has released a couple of songs before the trailer. We had a teaser which had released in July, if I'm not mistaken. So that's entirely the call of the director and of the marketing team in terms of how do they want to space out the content, how do they want to position the film, what is it that they want to say first. In fact, the very first thing, which I guess no other Indian film has done, was to release our teaser so much in advance. It's probably never happened. Usually happens for some of your big Hollywood films. We're probably the first Indian film that has done that. So in a lot of ways, we've done a lot of firsts in a lot of ways, and we mixed it up. We released songs before a trailer. Usually you'll see a trailer, then you'll see the songs. So there's no real formula to that, really. It's definitely not what you think it is.
Priyanka, so firstly, congratulations. We loved you as Kashi Bai, but since we saw so much of grandeur, I really want to ask you that does Alex Parrish still feel a hangover of Kashi Villa or Kashi Bai right there?
Oh, now you just questioned my ability to do my job. No, not at all. It's my job as an actor to be able to differentiate between my characters, and I think over the years I've been able to learn how to slip in and out of characters. जी हाँ, लेकिन मेरे लिए मुश्किल ये था कि एलेक्स के लिए मुझे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट सीखना था, एंड फॉर बाजीराव 300 साल पुराना महाराष्ट्रियन डायलेक्ट, तो उसमें थोड़ी सी मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी. वैसे भी मेरा बड़ा कंफ्यूज एक्सेंट रहता है, तो अब तो ज़्यादा हो गया. But I think otherwise, for me, it's not very difficult to go in and out of characters.
Thank you, and we're loving Quantico.
Thank you.
The question is, in America, what is the kind of flavor that people are opening up to as far as this movie is concerned? Because of late, just last week when PRDP had opened up, it had actually opened up as with a bigger box office response than the Brad Pitt Angelina Jolie starrer By the Sea. So are people warming up really well, and are you taking the foray in terms of promotions in America?
I think it is very important, and the globe is actually opening up to the idea of what Indian films are. There is a stereotype of Hindi movies that we break out into song and dance without reason. But I think it's about the education of people to understand what Indian cinema is really about. We come from one of the most prolific film industries in the world. We make about almost 900,000 movies a year, the country. And it's about educating the world that this is what the Indian film industry is. We may have a different language, but we are a force to reckon with. And the success of Quantico as well shows the power of the Indian film industry actually outside of America. Quantico's gone to, we've dubbed in 44 countries, gone to dozens and multiples of countries simultaneously, and that is a big testament to the power of Hindi cinema, because it went before the pilot even aired, because people knew me because I've done Hindi cinema. So there's a big warming up that's happening, and films like Bajirao Mastani, which are so epic and a quintessential testament of what Hindi storytelling, Hindi movie storytelling is. It's not silly, it doesn't take your intelligence for granted, and at the same time it's beautiful, it's epic, it's a celebration, it's tragic, it's dramatic, it's everything that Indian cinema stands for. So I think, hopefully, yes, I am doing a lot of, in terms of promotion when it comes to international. So hopefully with Bajirao Mastani there will be an indication of what Hindi cinema can be around the world.